así que... Quita, no me toca el culito, ya tú sabes.
Otro tipo de show. I'd like to dedicate this medley to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're going to enjoy it. And Maestro, whenever you're ready, please. Thank you. I used to think that after all, I realized I was wrong. 'Cause every time I see your face, my mind becomes an empty space. And with you sitting next to me, different kind of show.
Seems like I can hardly breathe. I close my eyes the moment I surrender to you. Let love be blind, innocent and eternally true. So lead me through tonight, but please turn out the light. 'Cause I'm lost every time I look. All together. Did you like that?
Yeah.
Should we do another one?
Yes.
Yes. This one is dedicated to all the mothers we have here with us tonight.
Mama, forgive the times you cried. Sorry, buddy. Forgive me for not making right all of the storms I may have caused, and I've been wrong. Dry your eyes, dry your eyes. And I know you believed, and I know you had dreams, and I'm sorry it took all this time to see that I am what I am because of your truth. And I miss you, I miss you. Come on, anyone, Mama, help me. Dale. Mama, I hope this makes you smile. I hope you're happy with my life. At peace with every choice I made. How I've changed along the way, along the way. 'Cause I know you believe in all of my dreams, and I owe it all to you.